Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another session of DBMS. Today, I'm going to discuss one topic, which is where current of clause. Okay. So, this is a PLSQL block which selects the young sailors whose age is less than 18 and deletes them one by one using a cursor. So, inside the declare section, so I have used cursor. So, the name of the cursor is sailor cursor, and this is the code that I have written. So, select SID from sailors where age is less than 18. And we have also used another clause here, which is for update. The for update clause locks the selected rows to prevent other transactions from modifying them until the cursor is closed. So that is the purpose of for update. I have given a detailed example of how to use for update in PLSQL in my previous video. So if you want to know that, please watch my previous video. So we again declare a variable v underscore SID of the same data type as the SID column in the sailors table. So that is the purpose of this line. So inside the begin section, so what we did is we have opened the cursor so that rows can be fetched one by one. And then we have used to fetch a sailor underscore cursor. So this is the name of the cursor into v underscore SID. So this retrieves the next SID from the cursor and stores it in v underscore SID. So the SIDs from this particular rows one after the other will be fetched into v underscore SID. So this statement, which is exit when sailor underscore cursor percentage not found. So the purpose of this is to stop the loop when there are no more rows left to fetch. Okay. So that's the purpose of this particular statement. And next one is delete from sailors where current of sailor underscore cursor. So instead of writing current where current of sailor underscore cursor, we can also write v underscore SID is equal to SID. So instead of writing that, we are actually writing where current of sailor underscore cursor. So this deletes the current row that was fetched. The where current of and then the name of the cursor ensures that only the currently fetched row is deleted. So whatever row that we are fetching here will be deleted here. The current row will be deleted. So that's the purpose of this one. So next we have written a print statement. So this prints the deleted sailor's SID for confirmation. And then we are coming out of the loop. So the loop will exit once there are no rows found. And then we are closing the cursor. So the cursor is closed here. Committing the statements. So commits all the deleted operations to make them permanent. So purpose of where current of clause, only the currently fetched row is deleted. So that is the purpose of where current of. That we have seen this PLSQL code. Let me show you in execution. So before that, let me show you. So what and all are there in the table, we'll try to see. So this is the table. So you can see there is Dustin 9 and all that. So we'll see whose sailor is less than 18. So there is Zorba here whose age is 16. And there is only one sailor whose age is less than 18 over here. So we'll see whether that row will be deleted or not. So let me run this PLSQL. So this is the PLSQL and we are running it. So we got that PLSQL procedure successfully completed, and you can see deleted sailor is SID 71. So we'll try to check whether Zoba is there in the table. So select star from sailors. So I'll show you with this. We already got a confirmation, but we'll also check whether that is reflected in the table or not. So Zorba should not be there in the table. So as you can see that Zorba is not there in the table. Okay. So this is all about where current of clause. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.